Hi guys, so the question is same difference. What it's saying, you have given a string as of length है. Uh, so it's asking what is the minimum number of operation needed to make every character same in this character array string. It can be proved that it is always possible. So there are no chances of it's not possible. So what's the minimum number of operation we have to find? Okay. Like for example in this QWQ, what we can do, we have just to change S3 and S2 and S3 like QW and Q using one operation, then we'll reach our goal. All the characters in this string will be same. Okay, so how we're going to achieve this? We are going to do what, some kind of operation like declare a target character Sn minus 1, it will be what Q. Okay, like for example QWQ, target would be what Q. Okay, then operation would declare an integer variable operation is equal to 0, then start a for loop from I is equal to 0 till I less than n minus 1, and I will be increment. Okay, post increment, remember this, n minus 1. Then as at index I should not be equal to target, so target is those Q, and S is what at index 0 is what Q, so they both are not equal, which is false, but it will be S is not equal to, which is false. Okay, so this operation will not run. Okay, no, I mean, see this, as at index I mean 0, as at index 0 in for example QWQ, so Q is not equal to target. Target is what Q. S is true and false. Obviously it false. So the operation will be not increment. But when Si will be incremented, S at index 1 is what W. W is not equal to target. Is it true or not? Yeah, it's true. Then the operation will be incremented by 1. So the answer will be what? It only take one operation like that. Okay. So let me run a test case. Now just enter a single value for the acceleration. QW. Answer correct as I explained you. Now come on. Okay, now let's run it. So all the answers are correct. 0, 1, 0, 2, 4, 4. All these are correct. So yeah guys, that's it. If you have any doubt or in the comment section, I will definitely try to reply. Thank you for watching.